Are you ready to see something absolutely adorable? Well, get ready to be charmed because this sweet baby cow has been caught snoring. Just listen to that gentle, rhythmic sound. It's enough to melt anyone's heart. Who knew cows could be so cute even when they're asleep? This video is guaranteed to make you smile and brighten your day. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this precious moment of the cutest baby cow caught snoring. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adorable animal videos.